Hello again, you're now viewing Rolly's Wheels, and I'm now sitting inside a 2002 Jaguar XJR, which happens to be my own. And today I'm just going to go through the changing of the gear selector walnut gear knob. So to start with, I'm going to be replacing this walnut gear knob. It had cracked very slightly due to the graining of it, you can see here, which is a bit of a shame. But anyway, I've got a replacement version, so I'm going to show you. It's a very basic operation anyway. So on the very bottom of the actual wood gear shift knob, there is a thread inside the walnut knob itself. This is a metal part of the gear shifter which has a thread on it. So in order to hold things in place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a nice soft rag, and you can use a spanner to fit. It's got two flats on this side. I'm using a set of grips because I can just grip on that quite nicely. And then you just turn it anti-clockwise. It's quite tight to begin with, but you just obviously unturn it anti-clockwise, keep on going. And then with a bit of luck, there's quite a thread that's coming off quite nicely. Very good. Okay, so we've got the replacement one here, and the colours are more or less identical. So I've been very fortunate to get one off eBay, off a guy who is again a Jaguar car lover. So yes, I've managed to get one that fits more or less identical. So I'm going to thread this on, and hopefully yep, it's fitting okay. Screw it all the way in. And then just gently bite it up. Not too tight, because remember, it's only walnut. So just get a hold of that and just gently, just to make sure it's just grips tight enough so it doesn't come undone. And job done. So keep watching my Rolly's Wheels. There's going to be a lot more coming on very shortly. We're going to be doing a full tour of this particular Jaguar XJR, which happens to be my own, and also I've got a couple of other vehicles which I will be testing and telling you all about. So watch this space, and do remember to subscribe and make sure that you click on the notification button as well.